Everyone. My name is Therese, and today I want to talk about an issue that is gaining global attention, which is homelessness. Let's start off by saying around the world, millions of people are without safe, stable housing, and homelessness is a global challenge that affects people of all ages, genders, and backgrounds. It's a symptom of poverty and discrimination. So, why is homelessness attracting so much attention? They ask. First, the numbers are growing from major cities to small towns. Homelessness is on the rise due to economic instability, lack of affordable housing, and social issues. In many places, wages have not kept up with the cost of living, forcing more people onto the streets. The COVID-19 pandemic also made the situation worse, leaving families without jobs and unable to pay rent. So inflation right now is really high. Jobs are, paying as much as they possibly can, but also they're trying to make revenue on their business as well. So right now things are really rough. Second, homelessness is no longer just about individuals, it affects entire communities. When people lack shelter, they face serious health risks, including exposure to extreme weather, malnutrition, and disease. This puts pressure on healthcare systems, emergency services, and welfare programs. Cities are struggling to manage homelessness while ensuring public spaces remain safe and accessible for everyone. Third, the governments and organizations worldwide are recognizing that traditional solutions like temporary shelters are not enough. Innovative approaches such as first homes policies, which provide permanent housing before addressing other issues like employment and addiction, are proving successful. Countries that invest in affordable housing, mental health support, and job training are seeing reductions in homelessness. Finally, homelessness is a human issue. It's a human right issue. No one should have to live without shelter, yet this crisis affects all types of groups, including minorities, veterans, and people with disabilities. The world is beginning to acknowledge that housing is not just a privilege, it's a basic human right and need. Despite these effects, homelessness remains a persistent issue, requiring coordination globally and local efforts to provide long term solutions. So, what can we do? Raising awareness is the first step, but real change comes from action. We must advocate for policies that address the root causes of homelessness, support organizations working to provide housing and services, and challenge the stigma that keeps people trapped in cycles of poverty. Homelessness is not an unsolvable problem. With compassion, commitment, and collaboration, we can work toward a future where everyone has a place that they call home. Thank you.